What? You're having trouble drawing from reference? Huh. Drawing from reference is literally the easiest part. The only thing you gotta know is you need to not add details in the beginning. And I'm gonna explain to you in 3 easy steps how to draw from reference. Alright, so the first thing to do is take any reference, okay? After you have chosen a reference, you need to use a construction method. So it can be any construction method. I personally like using Loomis, but you can use Riley, or you can use a skull, or you can use a sorrow, or any other method that you like. Then you gotta start adding simple shapes. The eye is almost a triangular shape, almost like an almond shape. The nose is made up of 2 triangles which are opposite of each other. One is the upside down triangle for the bottom of the nose. The mouth is just a single line. The eyebrow is a rectangle with a small triangle at the end. This part is called as a glabella. It is a trapezius, alright? And the ear is again a trapezius or a quadrilateral, whatever you wanna call it. Then there are hair shapes and other kinds of shapes like the neck. So simplify the reference into simple shapes, okay? That will form a structure, okay, which you can mold on or which you can work on later. Then after you're done adding simple shapes, mold and modify the shapes according to the reference. Okay, this is the most important part. You have to look at the reference, modify those simple shapes that you have added in the second step accordingly to the reference. For example, look at his ear over here and look at this ear over here. So there are 2 different types of ears, so you have to modify the shapes according to the reference. Okay, that's it. And then just add more details, more shading, more hatching, more darker areas, more lighter areas. All right, and the same applies to other views also. Okay, this is the side view and this is the 3/4 view. The 3/4 view is kind of difficult to draw because you need to understand some sort of perspective and 3-dimensionality. The side view is the easiest to draw, but there are some differences in the side view. In the side view, the eye is almost like a pizza shape or a triangle, and you have to show the upper lip and the bottom lip, but you do not have to show the contours of the upper lip and the bottom lip. All right, so remember that. And that's it. Then as usual, modify the shapes according to the reference, and just start adding details. Just start adding more values, more darker areas, more lighter areas, and some hatching or shading if you want. Okay, and that's it. So as usual, I started with the Loomis method, okay, and then I started adding simple shapes according to the reference. All right, that is very important. You need to add the simple shapes in the second step according to the reference. Okay, and then after that, finally I started adding more details, more smaller shapes, okay, more darker areas, more lighter areas. All right, so yeah, so I think that's it. I'll just shut up and you can just enjoy the time lapse. All right, and subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.